first snow of the year and first snow of the winter. Yes, baby.
Quite a long time ago, we used a fake hair nose for the snowman that we made.
Yeah.
Last Christmas.
Snowflakes, snowflakes. Baby snowflakes. Baby snowflakes.
Look at a police over there.
Where? What? I can see.
Can't see it now.
On the other side?
Yep, you can see it now.
See it now?
You should see it. You should see lights. I don't know, maybe not. Can't see yet. Look at this guy. Look at the guy working up there.
Oh yeah, it's on top there.
Oh my God, you could have got a good video of it.
What is it doing there?
Fixing the wire.
During the snow?
Apparently.
Oh no.
I mean, I see him there fixing the wire.
The police car up there.
Yeah.
I'm not wearing my eyeglass, but I can see it. Maybe I can see it in the foggy time that. Last Christmas, I give you my heart.
I was sleeping already.
That's okay.
Yeah, I carry his ass in the house now. What? Got to carry his little butt into the house.
Salting in progress. Reduce speed, salting in progress. Oh, they put snow in the road. They said salting in progress, so it means they put salt in the road.
Yeah, I don't
For the
see
snow.
I don't see anything getting salted.
Maybe far from us.
Salty but not bitter.
It's too bright behind us already.
Right? Salty but not bitter.
Going in the window. Slower, Clara. Slower, Clara. Oh, slower, Clara, in the window.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Can't see. I gotta see.
Oh, look at the mountain there.
Look at a flag flying.
I can't see now, very blurry. Oh yeah, American flag.
Let's climb up there and put a Filipino flag.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Flam.
Mom, look at my light now. Look.
Yeah.
Mom, I love you.
Okay. Did you write in the window? Oh, traffic now in the other side? Or everybody using lights now? Because it's like nighttime now, right? Vision is...
Oh, lots of police up here.
Oh.
Wow. Something really big happening here, man.
In our road?
Yep. A whole bunch of police. Car spun out, crashed maybe.
Oh no. Already?
Yeah, it doesn't take long.
Where? Mom, where?
Coming up here in a minute.
Not yet, ate. I'll tell you.
I seen a bunch of flashing lights. I don't know where.
I think no more.
Mom.
Quiet, ate. We didn't see. I thought there's something flashing. It's on the other side of the look. Look at all the lights is on the other side. Did you see that? Yeah, look, some of them flashing.
Right, then keep left.
I can't see.
It's gone now. I don't know what happened to it.
Just outside, look at the cars. Their light is blinking.
Where?
As they drive by, look at the lights go by.
Look, see the bus over there too?
There. There's the flashing lights.
Oh, look at the flashing
on the
lights.
right side.
Orange at the side. Ah. That's a warning to slow down. Reduce speed, salting in progress.
I love snowstorm. I can't wait for next Christmas.
Oh, maybe we win that day.
Huh?
Prize
Keep
for
right,
the
then
lottery.
keep left.
I wanna go to the airport.
You wanna go to the airport? Which airport?
The potty airport.
Huh?
The potty airport.
The far airport?
No, the potty